Morning. Here we have our Nature's Variety Instinct, grain-free, and then we also have our Nature's Variety Kibble, which is for Simon. Sheba and Bailey split the Nature's Variety medallion. What I do is I just kind of chop it up into little pieces. Bailey, are you ready for your raw food? Okay. Here's Sheba's. Who's ready for breakfast? Sheba. You can see they're really wanting this. They really enjoy it. We'll devour this food. Alright guys. Come on over. Everyone's ready for breakfast? Okay. Bailey first. Simon. Sheba second. Simon third. Eat away. And Bailey is finished. There goes Sheba eating hers. Bailey usually goes over and tries to get some. Sheba usually growls. There's the growl. There goes Simon.
Just eating away.